Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a quick M1 Finance update on my portfolio. Today is May 20, 2020. So, let's get started. And I started off with $10,000 invested in. I invested that money roughly at the beginning of March, just before the pandemic started to trickle into our country. And I haven't put in any money since then. But now my portfolio grew by 20%, and so my portfolio grew 20%. The exact percentage is 20.60%, and in terms of dollars, I'm up 1,425 and 17 cents. So if you're new to my channel, I started off with my M1 Finance account, and you can watch those videos right here. And that's about 3 months ago. I grew my portfolio, in terms of putting in money in, and my portfolio grew by 20%, 20.60%, and 1,425.17 cents, and with initial principal of $10,000 in 3 months. So not too bad, 20% and almost $1,500 for gain for 3 months. Not too bad. The reason why my portfolio grew this way, because the stocks were low at the time I bought them, so the prices were low. I was able to buy them. I was able to buy in volume that I can afford at that time, and the prices starts to go back up. So I'm happy. I'm content, and I'm gonna keep my portfolio at. I'm not gonna contribute yet. I think I'm gonna start contributing next month. But at this time, it's gonna let my portfolio grow and earn dividends by itself. And yeah, that's a quick update. And today's May 20, 2020. That's the reason why I gave you guys an update, because it's a solid even number, and I'm a numbers guy, and why not? So if you have any questions, comments about my portfolio, I'm not gonna dive into the whole specifics of my pies, because I just don't want to. But what I can do is vector you the information that I used to buy the stocks within my pie. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you like this video, click like. If you guys want to subscribe. I'm gonna create the next video in 2 to 3 months, and I'm gonna give you guys an update. So with that being said, that's it, guys. And if you're flying this weekend, stay safe and happy investing. If you're investing in during this time, so have fun. All right.